You don't think they'll come over here, do you?
Oh, sure.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. You gotta rescue Kylie if one comes over too close, okay? Oh my gosh. Because she's got a formula. You don't think they can smell that, right?
Yeah.